Welcome to RBO. Today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Taco Bell Box Survival Kit. Before we get into that, I want to remind you that we have a giveaway going for our Super Clean. It includes a hat, the basic degreaser, as well as the aerosol degreaser. If you want to be entered for that giveaway, all you have to do is leave a like, comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel, go ahead and share the video, and you'll be entered. We'll be doing the announcement for the giveaway on the 20th. Good luck to everybody. Again, that's the 20th, Monday. And good luck. Let's get into this kit. Here, this kit is mostly meant to pretty much stick under your car seat, or a seat in your car, or someplace near your car, and just forget about it. And other people will just see it and think it's trash. They can think whatever they want to, but when you need it, it's there. You remember it, and boom. Yeah. Pop this boy up. So right on top, we have our large Mylar survival blanket. Could be pretty much used as a tarp because it's so big. Here's our makeshift survival signal mirror on some sheet metal, as well as our basic, non-basic survival first aid kit. So just a basic first aid kit. It has all the wipes, bandages, and whatnot, and gauze, alcohol pads. But it also includes some Nertile gloves, a CPR mask, and a basic tourniquet. So a great little kit. Here we have our basic fishing kit, pocket fishing kit, basic line reel. We have some fake bait here, some hooks back here, and everything you need, some snap-on hook or sinkers. Here's our little pocket sewing kit. So you can go ahead and stitch something up if need be, even if it's yourself. For hygiene, we have 3 water-activated towelettes. Wipe yourself down, or water filtration. Then for cordage, we have some 550 paracord. Works great for tying anything up. Break it down for smaller strands. Fire starting. We have a Bic lighter wrapped with some duct tape, some snare wire, dual purpose, as well as 2 pairs of the 10-hour hand warmers. For water filtration, we have our Frontiers water filtration straw. Then for navigation, we have our basic military type camping compass. Very basic design. I believe it was $10. Works great. Then we have a 9-hour emergency candle for either warmth or light. We also have a signal whistle to be heard from a further distance. Another fire starting source. We have a booklet of matches. This trigger is right here. As well as a ferrocerium rod with a striker. And then for cutting utility, we have our multi-tool. Very basic multi-tool. Also comes with, where is it? Close this boy up. Comes with a nice amount of side pockets, great blade right there, as well as saw, screwdriver, another blade here, and of course minimalist pliers, as well as some wire cutters, as well as these tools, so you can go ahead and dismantle whatever you need to, repurpose it or repair it. A great little multi-tool. That's the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments, what you guys would do differently. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.